welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to make this video because I'm going to share 10 kawaii items with you guys, and it's been a long time since I wear pigtails. I really missed it, and I like to wear pigtails because I feel like my face looks smaller with pigtails. So the first item I'm going to show you is a super kawaii Japanese backpack, and the backpack is from a Japanese website called Shop Ranran. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. So this is a Japanese website and they sell Japanese backpacks. They have a lot of kawaii backpack. Check this website out. Really nice packaging and the shipping was pretty fast. Wow, it's actually bigger than I thought. And I also received a note card. This is the thank you cards. Thank you so much for agreeing to collaborate with us. Looking forward to your YouTube. And I want to say thank you so much for sponsoring me the backpack. I really love it. Packaging is really nice. Wow. Whoa, it's really cute. Very kawaii. Let me put it down. Wow, the quality feels very good. How to... okay, opens like this way. Wow, it is very cute. So the buckle is in the bottom, so it's very safe. It will be hard for people to open your backpack to steal your stuff. So here's the calendar. The space of backpack is big too. Look. And it has several layers. Let's start from the first layer. So here's the name card. The school year, address and name, your telephone and your blood type. I think this is a good idea. If you lose your backpack, somebody can find your information and contact you. I had experience losing backpack. I lost my backpack in other classroom. I found it. Here's the first layer, here's the second layer. Total it has 3 layers. The buckle is on the bottom. Design is very cute. The heart is embroidered. And look at the side. The design is also embroidered. It's really good quality. And also the back. It'll feel very comfortable to your back. Right here is like a little cushion. Very soft. It's a really good quality and nicely designed backpack. They also have the ones without the embroidery heart. If you think this is too kawaii for you, you can choose the ones with nothing on it. They have the basic baby pink, and they also have other colors. If you think the pink is too kawaii for you, they have the color black, blue, red, a lot of different colors you can choose from. I really like this color. This one is super adorable. It has a small knuckle. I think you can put the hand sanitizer. Let me put it on. Oh, my hair is too long. You could carry this backpack anywhere you want to go, like to school or for traveling. Just anything you like. This is super adorable. Also, I have a coupon code, 30% off coupon code. This is YUMI 30 right here. Size of this backpack is 34.5 centimeter times 27 centimeter and times 18 centimeter. The weight is 1,360 grams, and the material is vegan leather. Really love it. It's too bad I can't wear it to school anymore because I finished my education, but I can still wear it when I go out. And also I'm thinking about if I have a daughter, I think she'll love it. I should save it. Save it. I really love it. Really love it. Really love it. Really love it. This is perfect backpack for your daughters. Very cute. The next kawaii item is the Pokemon top. I don't know the English name, but I know the Chinese name for this Pokemon. Jigglypuff. It has been one of my favorite Pokemon besides Pikachu. I just like the whole outfit. And the next one is Harajuku accessory. You might have seen this before. I also have the one that has no bows on it. Let me show you. So those are just eyeball. I think it's very interesting. So the next one is also accessory. This one is from Card Capture Sakura. A pair of wings. Oh, that's very cute. Have you heard about the cat capture? The new one already coming out. Have you watched the new episodes yet? They already put the episodes on YouTube, but the subtitle is Chinese, so I'm not sure if they have the new ones in English subtitles yet. Card Capture Sakura is one of my favorite childhood anime. When I was little, I was addicted to this anime, and I also watched a lot of other anime. So when I was little, if you want to know what are my childhood anime, I can make a videos about it. There are a lot of childhood anime I watched. And the next ones are Hello Kitty. Those were gifts from my friend before, and I have been keeping those as my decoration. I'm not sure if I have showed you this before. I know Hello Kitty is not cat, but they look like it. Very cute decoration. The next one is a cat. It's a decorative cat. Maybe I showed you before. This one is very special, and because when you press it, it'll make noise. Cute and interesting when the cat make noise. Since I don't have a real cat, so I really want a cat, but my mom told me the cat might not good for babies, because if the cat sit on baby's face, it'll be big trouble. No pets. The next one is also cat related, and this one is cat tattoo tights. Look, actually you could make it yourself. It looks like handmade. You can make it yourself. You just need to make a pattern, and you put the pattern underneath, and you use a Sharpie draw a cat face on your tights. The next one is a kawaii emoji mask. I don't see people wear masks in this country, but I know people in Japan and China, they wear masks because the mask. I think it's super cute. This is also can be a fashion style. So the last two kawaii items are cinnamon socks. Is that so adorable? Cinnamon socks. I also find the cinnamon socks at the Hot Topic. I wear socks at home. I don't like to be bare feet. Cinnamon. And the next one is cinnamon t-shirt. Ta-da! Cinnamon t-shirt. I do have cinnamon sweatshirt. That one is long sleeves. Oh, it doesn't match. This color looks better. It matches. This is like a cinnamon costume, and also you can wear it in daily life, like go shopping, because it's pretty casual. This is like an anime daily outfit. Looks like costume, but it's not costume. I really like it. I have full outfit that says cinnamon, including the socks. I missed the anime inspired fashion, and also I missed my pigtails. I used to only wear pigtails in my videos. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please make comments which anime inspired fashion you love. Bye bye. I will see you in next video soon. Bye.